I feel like I've known you forever. This is not just idle chatter. When a woman says this, she expresses a strong emotional connection. This means that she feels extremely comfortable around you, as if you have known each other for many years, even if you have just met. Psychologists have found that women often develop emotional bonds faster than men, especially when they feel that they are really seen and understood. According to Dr. Gottman, emotional security is a major attraction factor. If a woman feels emotionally protected around you, she begins to associate you with warmth, trust, and comfort, the most important ingredients of romantic feelings. So how should you react? Don't brush it off. Instead, gently tease her. Are you saying that we were soulmates in another life? Or say sincerely, "That's very sweet. I feel the same way." It helps to strengthen the emotional connection while maintaining lightness and interest. Secondly, you are one of my closest friends. Now don't panic. This is not necessarily a friend zone. When a woman says this at the very beginning, it means that she feels a deep connection and emotional security with you. And this is a key foundation for romantic feelings. Women naturally prioritize emotional security over physical attraction. If she shares her secrets, shows vulnerability, or tells you things she doesn't share with others, she's emotionally invested. A great way to respond. Tell me, I really appreciate it. Some of the best relationships start with strong friendships. You are sowing a seed that can grow into something more. Third, you're so different from the other guys I've met. This is an important compliment. She's telling you that you stand out from the crowd, and in the world of attraction, that's all. Women always subconsciously evaluate which men are emotionally and mentally worth their time. This is what psychologists call selective perception. As soon as she begins to feel connected to you, she begins to look at you through a special lens. Answer by saying, "I'll take it as a compliment," and then playfully ask me what makes me so different. By forcing her to say it out loud, you will enhance the attraction she already feels. Fourth, I feel like I can be myself around you. It is very important. Most people hide parts of themselves until they truly feel safe. When a woman says this, she loses her guard. She feels like she doesn't have to pretend, and that's rare. Psychologists call this the connection of authenticity, the emotional connection that occurs when someone feels accepted for who they are. If she starts being dumb or acting stupid, join her energy. If it opens, respond warmly. That's honestly the best compliment you could give me. The more she feels safe being herself around you, the stronger her emotional attachment becomes. Fifth, you make me feel like I'm being seen and heard. It may seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful. When a woman feels that she is really being heard and not just listened to, it creates deep emotional security. Emotional confirmation is one of the strongest predictors of long-term attraction. If you listen, memorize small details, and respond with empathy, she'll start to feel more connected than ever. If she says that, "Please respond," it means a lot to me. I think the best relationships are built on real understanding. You will deepen this emotional connection even more. Sixth, I feel a deep connection with you. Now we're moving into serious territory. It's not about shared hobbies or casual chemistry. She talks about emotional resonance, the feeling that you really understand each other on a deeper level. She may open up about her childhood, life goals, or fears. She can bring up meaningful conversations that you've had. All this means that it gives real emotional weight to your bond. Your job. Confirm this. Say something like, "I feel it too." Such a connection is rare. This simple statement makes her feel safe, expressing even more of her emotions. Seventh, I can talk to you about anything. This is emotional compatibility at its best. When she feels like she can talk to you without being judged, you become her emotionally safe space. Watch out for the signs. She texts you indiscriminately, shares personal problems, or asks for advice on things that are really important to her. These are signs that she sees you as more than just a friend. She sees you as someone who understands her. Respond with something playful, like even weird things, and then add, "To be honest, I think that a real relationship would tear."